Hey guys, this is 1DoctorGenius, and today we're doing the unboxing of the Exerpeutic Recumbent Bike. So you can see I've already took the straps off the box, so I can easily do this.
Oh, I wonder what it looks like.
Yes, that is a very good question, and you'll figure out how it looks like after I'm done opening the box.
Yay!
Wait a second, that's not the bike. We have to assemble it. Yay! They have the seat here. Then they have this instruction manual. Very important. Then let's get the back pad off so you can rest your back on it. I'm pretty big, so if I might need a little help.
This is the frame of the bike.
So how are we gonna?
And that side is the paddle, that motor, engine, whatever you want to call it. Part of frame. And this one here, this is an attachment for small equipment which will measure your pulse.
Wait, this is the
So
monitor.
you keep your hand and it measures your pulses.
Oh.
There's a tension control.
And what's this handle for?
This is paddle.
Oh!
And they even come with batteries
And
included. Yay!
And what's this wire for?
This wire will connect with this other wire which I was showing earlier.
So now we're going to start assembling it. And it says that the first step is to put the stabilizers on. So now you might be wondering which stabilizer belongs in the front. And it's clearly marked. It has a sticker on it which says F for front. And then it has a sticker on it which says R for rear. Now that we know which stabilizers in which, you might want to know, well, which one of these is the front and the back. Well, first of all, I'm going to take the safety pin out so we can lift it up. Now that we've adjusted it properly, we can stick in the safety pin. And it should slide in perfectly. And now you can see that it isn't going wobbly front and back. So first thing, this is the rear or the back. Now this in the front is the front. It's pretty obvious because I called it the front. Now what we will need for this is a wrench which is 13 to 15 mm. So first let's unpack these. We got scissors, yay.
This is not light, this is heavy.
Ultra. So now this belongs in the front. And I guess I should have taken out the back first.
Yeah.
Hey, this thing got wheels. Whee!
Alright, so
Whoever wins.
now here
Let's
it shows
go first.
that we lift this up from here.
And make sure that the holes are going right in. Put it down. Now that we have put the front on, the rear on, we can put on the washers and screw on the caps. Now let's make sure that the cap is actually screwed in tight, because we don't want it popping off in the middle of practice, do we?
No.
I want to try wrench working. Yay!
So this looks solid.
Stable.
Now let's fix the front one.
Front. So now that we have put the rear on, we're gonna put the front on. And sorry about it. Make sure that you put the right key in the right place. So you can see that the keyhole, the safety key are different. Now we have to lift this up, place it so that it would go in, and let it down slowly and gently. So we each have a washer so we can put it on. Make sure that the washer is facing the right side, like that, and screw it on. Once you're sure that you can't tighten it, possibly with your fingers, you use the wrench. So, what's the next step?
Okay, so we have fixed this.
Yeah!
Okay. Now, step 2 is to
Attach the monitor. So now let's fix on the monitor. Scissors, thank you. So now that we have taken the monitor or computer out of its bag, we'll now attach it to this. This is what it looks like. Then you need to put the computer or monitor on in perfectly. Ninja move. Ninja go. The wire coming out from the computer, that computer, and then the wire coming out from this rod will be connected. Make sure it's this wire and this rod. This plug-in, then connect that. Then you might be wondering, well, where does this one go? Well, if you look on the computer, there's a little hole up there. There's an input hole up there, and you will plug it in. And ding! So you see up there, that's the place where you put the batteries in. So you put the first one in and second one in. And it should be working now. We have to connect everything, so don't turn it on yet. Now our next step is to install the seat on the seat post and then put the seat post on the bike frame. So first, and wow, nice seat. Time to attach it to the seat post. So under the seat they have these.
They have two sets of holes. So this
sets.
is like depending on your height.
6.
If you are between 5'1" to 5'6", you will use the front holes.
Yeah.
Front set. If you are taller than that, then use the rear holes.
Okay.
Alright.
Got the 3 bolts here. This is needed. Who made washers?
Let's keep
grab
it down.
The seat. Oh, okay. So now, in this, they have these little wires which can tell the pulse. And then the seat also has wires leading in it somewhere. So now we need to connect them.
So these are the wires.
Now we need to connect them. And now it can go in.
And now
You can just, the wires will go in. Perfect. So now we're installing the adjustment knob for the seat height. Just
make sure that your post, the max you can come out is 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 is the max.
So max 4 volts can come out of this. It can't be more than this. Yeah.
Step 4 is to assemble the backrest. Ooh, smooth and it's cushiony. Now, time to do it reps. Frame. This looks...
Next step is to open it like this. Very good.
What?
Yeah.
I did the next step without even knowing it.
I see 4 holes
the
behind the seat
on.
here. So align them like this. We got the back ready.
Yeah.
Post
So
on this
how
bike.
do I do
So
that?
we'll do that.
No, wait a second.
I'll
That's
show you
supposed to be
there.
on those 2 points.
Yeah.
Got it in. Now washers next. Yeah, all I need is the pedals and my handrest.
Okay.
So our next step is to attach the handlebar on. So let's first take it out of the
Fix it up like this.
Ow! That makes so much more sense.
Yeah.
So then there are 2 wires which you're supposed to connect. But first let's just attach the bar. Just gonna tighten this. So now all that's left is to attach these paddles. Yay! Perfect.
So this part is set.
Now time for paddles.
Now.
Which are time for the final step, putting the paddles on. So each paddle is clearly labeled. This one has a right on it and this one has a left. And each strap is also labeled, but the back side, on the back side it would have an L. Go on this side, R. Oh, let's put it in.
So let me open it.
Opening.
This one is like, it goes counterclockwise. This side, left side.
Ding, ding.
Paddle goes in snug. Now let's put the nut on.
Not putting on nuts.
Okay. Now this is good.
I get myself a seat. That's how to put the strap on, right?
Now you can try it clockwise.
This is too easy.
Alright, let's put the strap on.
80. Wow, I can feel my pulse. Oh, this thing is... It's 103. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like. And if you have any comments, make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. And do exercise. And bye.
Make sure
I'll see you in my next exercise video. Whoa.